In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text in Gmail. Mastering text formatting in Gmail can make your emails not only visually appealing, but also more effective in communicating your message. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process, ensuring you gain confidence in enhancing your email's appearance swiftly and efficiently. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.gmail.com. Once you're logged into your Gmail account with your credentials, you'll find yourself on the main inbox page. From here, look for the Compose button, which is typically located on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to open a new email draft. Now that your new message window is open, it's time to focus on the text body. Place your cursor within the email body area, which is the large blank space waiting for your input. Type in the text you wish to format. As you type, keep in mind what kind of formatting you'd like to apply, whether it be bold, italics, different font sizes, or colors. In this email draft, you'll notice a toolbar at the bottom that provides a variety of formatting options. To start, highlight the text segment you want to format. Hover over these toolbar icons to identify each function. If you wish to make your text bold, simply click on the B icon. This simple action enhances your text by making it stand out with increased thickness, adding emphasis to key points or headings. Next, if you'd like to italicize a portion of your text to add a subtle emphasis, select the text and then click the I icon on the same toolbar. This slants your text slightly to the right, providing a complementary way to highlight words or phrases. For users looking to underline text, ensuring certain information is unmistakable, you can select the text and click on the U icon. This draws a line beneath your text, offering yet another level of emphasis. Now, if the color of your text matters, perhaps for branding or simply to convey mood, click on the A icon with a color bar beneath it. Once clicked, a color palette will appear, allowing you to choose the desired hue to give your message the perfect tone. Additionally, adjusting the alignment of your text is also an option. To align your text to the left, center, or right, use the respective alignment icons on your toolbar. This feature is particularly useful when formatting a more organized email. Lastly, once you're happy with the formatting, don't forget to add your recipient's email address, a subject, and of course, a personalized touch in your closing. Now your email is not only content-rich, but also visually engaging, ready to leave a great impression on the reader. With these tips, you're now equipped to take your Gmail emails from plain text to professionally formatted messages. Happy emailing!